Welcome to exam race. This is the electromagnetic theory and we are here for reflection and refraction. Now we will see reflection and refraction in EM waves. For this we must know the condition. Condition is important. The condition is what? That EM waves, this EM waves must propagate, EM wave propagate in linear and homogeneous medium. This is important. What is the homogeneous medium and linear medium? So this is somewhat when a wave travels from one point to another point or after some interval of time, then their medium will not change. Means the medium will remain same. Medium will not change according to the position. Medium will not change according to the time, and that's why it is called linear and homogeneous medium. For this, we will see the boundary conditions. Boundary condition and their condition. So first condition is when there is no surface charge exists, then d1n is equals to d2n. Second one is no surface current exists, then E1 transverse is equals to E2 transverse. Also B1n must be equals to B2n. And the last one is the condition regarding the H is same thing, that is H1 T must be equals to H2 T. So these are the conditions for reflection and refraction of waves, and these are the boundary conditions. Here we consider two mediums, medium 1 and medium 2, and this axis is about the electric field incidence. This is magnetic field incidence, and this is something k direction in which EM wave is moving. That's a different case. Now we have some assumptions. That assumptions are that rho phi is 0, J phi is 0, and above these assumptions we have electric field incident is going to be E naught plus E naught e to the power I k1 z minus omega t. Okay, or actually k1, instead of 1 you can take ki, means the medium or incident. Similarly, if we want to find magnetic field incident, it's b naught I e to the power I kiz minus omega t. This is what the incident electric field and magnetic field. These both are mutually perpendicular to each other. Mutually perpendicular. Okay. So this is what the incident case. Now we will see what happened to their refracted case and transmitted case. So these are the three cases. One is for incident. So this one is for incident. This one is for refracted. And this one is for transmitted. If you see the case of incident and transmitted, the pattern is exactly same. Only the difference is the medium. So this is what we can say EI, and this is for BI. Now, and this one is for K. Or better to say it's a Ki. Fine. After reflection, this becomes Kr. This is Er. Is ER's direction changes? No, because it doesn't. It moves in the same direction, having the same medium. Now we have talked about Bi. So it changes to Br. For this medium, it's Et transmitted, Kt transmitted, Bt transmitted. Fine. Now we will see what is the Er. Er is going to be, it's E naught R e to the power I minus of Kr Z minus omega t. Now why this is so? For this there is a reason that this green line, light green line, this is what interference. Okay, interference between two medium. Also there is a one line that is dividing them in up and down case, means if this is what Z axis, you can see this is Z axis. Okay, and this is what X axis, Z axis, X axis, and another 3D is there. Okay, 3D plane is there, and this is what we call Y axis. So in this 3D pattern these are divided, that's why it's a minus Kr. Now if we talk about the Br, it's obviously opposite, so it's going to be the B naught R e to the power I minus KRZ minus omega t. And for Kr, it's always a negative of Ki. Next is for transmission case. If you see the transmission, the directions are same. That means the incident pattern is exactly the same that of transmission pattern. So E transmission vector is equals to E naught transmission e to the power I k t z minus omega t. Similarly, E, it's a B transmission. Okay, B transmission is B naught t e to the power I kt z minus omega t. This is what we see. And if there is any relation between E and B, so obviously there is a relation between E and B. That is, if we say that incident E incident, E naught incident is equals to B naught incident by B1. Now this division is actually B1. Okay, multiplication. So this is what the relation we have. This one indices for velocity is actually for the medium one. Similarly, if you want to find the E naught of R is equals to B1 of B naught of R, but is of minus sign because this is also in the same medium. Okay, last one, that is for transmission. So for transmission relation is B2, because the velocity 2 is for the medium 2, is B naught of T. Okay, these are the relations. Now we come to